The cat is out here giving me company. Hi, kitty. There you are, kitty. Hi. I see lightning in the distance. Supposed to be getting a lot of rain today. And I hate smoking in the rain. But it's okay. Let's try to get this started. Time to light it. The fire has finally caught on. Took a while today. It is very humid out here. It's about to start raining. I think we're like 10 minutes away from when it's supposed to start raining. I don't know if I hear a raccoon, or if I hear a cat, or if I hear a deer. I am scared. Oh my God, I saw eyes. I think it's a cat. Like, I just want the sun to come up, please. Okay. Let's see how my garden's looking after a rainy day. It rained pretty hard this morning, actually. I think those are my peas growing up this trellis. They're acting crazy. Never grown sweet potatoes before, but now I know never put it next to anything else because it absolutely took over. But it's okay, because it's a garden and it's not meant to be perfect, especially mine. I'm gonna go ahead and do a temp. Okay. Perfect. 160. 163. Flat will be a little hard. Okay. This is actually going really great. It's looking good. Okay, how do I want to do this? Don't do this on a picnic table. I put it back in there. Just gotta get the fire going a little bit better. I kind of fell asleep and the fire got away from me. Okay. Piece of wood. You're gonna make this easy for me. Come on. It's pretty good pieces right there. I'm tired. Stand up. Okay. Whew. Easy peasy. Oh, finally off the smoker. Thank you. Okay, finally done. Oh, that's pretty juicy. Look at all that juice. I'm doing pretty good so far. Look at that brisket. It's beautiful. Let's see what it away. Ooh, that fell apart. Hello. I got some brisket here. While it was resting, I took another nap. I started it at like 5 this morning, and now it's like 5, 6 o'clock. Now, this is so good. But yeah, thank you for watching. I'm still new to this, but yeah, I'm having a good time so far. It's really nice getting out of my comfort zone, and I can't wait to like show more. Look at the juiciness.